I failed history in high school because I was a bit of a behavior problem. And so I kept getting thrown out. So I had to take it again. So I had to take it a second year again. And so here I am, a senior, trying to get out of history. Well, anyways, long story short, I ended up teaching history. And I learned that I really liked it. I really did. I really liked it. And I got into it. But then when I was faced in the classroom and kids would sit there and they would behave the way I behaved, I realized that they didn't like it as much as I did. And we love our subjects, don't we? You go in there and you're like, man, you can't wait. You get the best lesson plan, don't you? You're a science teacher. You get this, this experiment, and you're like, and the kids just treat it so poorly. And you really knocked yourself out setting this up. And that's hard. And so we take that a little personally. And so I had to learn not to take that personally. I had to realize, you know what, Polly, they don't like this subject as much as you do. And that's just our reality. And so I had to figure that out. So you can complain about it. You can tell me you don't like this subject. But I'm still going to teach it. And I'm going to try to get you to find one piece of it that might make sense to you. And I hope that you can love just one piece of it. But if you don't, you don't. And that's okay. You're not going to upset me. I'm still going to teach it. And you can tell me you don't like it all you want. Thanks for watching. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.